Hi, today I'm making shortbread cookies. So, Mother's Day is right around the corner, and I love tea cookies to serve with my little finger sandwiches. So, we begin with 2 cups of flour, 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, 2 sticks of softened butter, which is 1 cup, and we want to make sure that it's unsalted butter. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Kosher salt is preferred, but I use regular salt for this, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Okay, so with our dry ingredients, we're going to combine the flour, baking powder, the salt all together and just mix that well, and then we will sit it aside while we kind of combine our butter and our sugar. So we're going to cream this so the butter should be softened. We'll add our powdered sugar a little bit at a time, and we will add the 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then gently kind of combine the dry ingredients into the butter. So the dough, will kind of be soft, and that's perfectly fine. You don't want to overmix, but once it's all combined, we're going to set that aside. And I'm actually adding pecans to one batch of this. So I'm going to crush about a 1/4 cup of pecans until they're a little fine, and then I'm going to divide my batter in half and add the pecans to that to half of the batter, and then keep the other half plain. So with the pecan shortbread batter, I'm going to form that into a log and wrap that up in saran wrap, and then I'm going to take the remaining batter and put that into sort of a circle log as well, and wrap that in saran wrap. And so then they're going to go in the refrigerator for at least an hour. So again, this is a weekend recipe, or you can make it ahead of time and keep them in the refrigerator until you're ready to do a cut and bake of these cookies. And you're just going to slice these into small rounds and place them on a cookie sheet. You're literally going to cook them for about 4 to 6 minutes. They are very light cookies, so you'll have to look at the bottom because they'll be slightly brown on the bottom. Place them on a cooling rack for about 2 to 3 minutes, and they are ready to serve. And so it is a very light, airy type of cookie, perfect with tea, perfect for this Mother's Day holiday if you want a little special cookie to celebrate with.